Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign keyboard shortcuts to Razer Stream Controller X. And to do this, first you will need to download a loop deck from their official website. You can also check our previous video on how to do it. When the app is installed, you should see something like this. And then we need to click on this X button, Custom. Here find the keyboard shortcut. It's the first option. I haven't seen that. Sorry. Now when it's selected, we can add the name for that specific action. So let's say a copy. Then we can click right here and it will start recording our button press on the keyboard. So let's go for Ctrl+C since I want to copy with that specific command. We can also switch the image if you want, and then save it. When it's saved, it will be stored in the custom actions right here, and simply click and hold it, drag it to one of the plus buttons to assign it to your Stream controller. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.